Welcome to this recipe of rasam making or satamad powder, which is very famous in the south. This is a simple homemade recipe thanks to a lot of my friends in the north who've been asking me for this recipe. All we need is ingredients from our kitchen, which is very good and healthy as well for cold, flu, whatever. So per cup or this 1 tumbler equivalent of dhania or coriander seeds. We're going to be adding red chilies to it. For this proportion, if it is long red chilies, we will need about 15. If it is those short round ones, we will need about 7 of them. We are going to be adding 1 spoon black pepper, 2 spoons of jeera. The spoon usage that you're going to be seeing is tablespoons and not teaspoon. I'll repeat, it is tablespoons. We are just adding them into a plate, and about 3 spoons of tur dal, 1 spoon of urad dal, 1 spoon chana dal. Okay, while you get to see all of them, if you do not have sufficient sunlight where you are, we will need to mildly toast them in the heat in a kadai. The next thing you're going to add is 1 long turmeric, not the short one, long turmeric, one which is equivalent to at least 1.5 inches. Asafoetida, this equivalent if it is hard, or if you're using powder, you can directly use them in your grinding. And we are going to sun dry this. That is all we are going to do. Put the proportions, sun dry, and if it is brittle to this extent, which in summer months probably in an hour or so, 2 hours, this will be ready enough to grind them. All it needs to do is slightly get brittle. As far as turmeric, we'll need to make it to the small pieces so that it grinds equally well. Ta-da! After grinding, this is how the powder looks. You can store them for months together and just add them into a soup like watery substance, which is very good for cold, whatever. And easy to make recipes. In the description box below, further rasam recipes are in the description box below. Signing off, this is Ramya, simply at